Today I tried to open my virtual machine. I got this error. Could not open virtual machine. The virtual machine appeared to be in use. So remove Windows 11 from the library. To fix this problem, close stuff here. I click on the virtual machine and drag the mouse to the virtual machine. And this is the file path of a virtual machine currently you are using. Navigate to this path. Once you are in the current virtual machine folder, find this .lck folder, right click and select delete option. This is the one causing the problem. Once you done this, close stuff here and select the Windows 11 and you can able to power on the virtual machine without problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.